All right. So in order to find the university databases, I just started at uaf.edu, pull down the academics menu, and go to Library Rasmussen. And once you go to Library Rasmussen, the best way to do it is to go to, I think it's Quick Search, Advanced Search, but I'm not. A to Z database list. Let's try that one. Databases by title. And the databases that I like are Academic Search Premier, JSTOR, and ERIC, E-R-I-C. So here's Academic Search Premier. Here's, and then ERIC is all caps, E-R-I-C. It stands for Education Research. Let me find it. Actually, I don't know what it stands for. But there it is too. So once you click on one of the databases, you're going to just be bundled into all sorts of search possibilities, but I'll just show you the way Academic Search Premier works, for instance. So let's say you wanted to find something on the effect of powerful questioning on learning. And so you just search it. It's going to shoot back a response. It looks like we have 5 good results. You can refine your search over here by changing it to full text or scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. You can change the publication date to make it more recent or less recent. And here's the fact that you see this PDF full text will let you do it. The ones that don't, they just may not come up. So this one, for instance, I don't think is available at UAF, but you could check and try to find it. But in any case, let me show you something cool here as well. Once you click on this text, if you come over here to the come over here to the side here, one of these tells you how to cite it. Yeah, so click on this and it gives you the citation format, the correct things. For all of our education assignments are going to be in APA style. So you just copy this, it literally cut and paste into your bibliography. All right, so that is where the database is and how to do it. And there's a lot of functions over here on the left and on the right. But again, that Cite button is right there, and you're going to do APA 7th edition. I hope this helps.